Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Ethan Bonkers. And on this day in 2011, Disney's Mars Needs Moms held its premiere at the Capitan Theater in Hollywood. 9-year-old Milo must rescue his mom after Martians take her as a model to retrain their parenting robots. Seth Green performed the motion capture for Milo, but it's easy to miss this because his voice was dubbed by child actor Seth Dusky. Unfortunately, Mars Needs Moms did not succeed at the box office, becoming one of Disney's lowest-earning films. And it's not a huge surprise. Daps Magic did not give it a very good review. In fact, I think it was one of the worst. Did you see this? Did you like it? If you were, you might be the only one. Anyway, have a magical day.